Hello everyone, welcome to this YouTube video. Okay, today I will be talking about the 7 lighthouses of the Outer Banks of North Carolina. Not many people know about North Carolina. People are starting to recognize North Carolina a little more now. I come from North Carolina, and, well, I will be talking about the 7 lighthouses of the Outer Banks. Okay, so we will start with Hatteras. Hatteras was 193 feet tall. Not only the tallest on the Outer Banks of North Carolina, not only the tallest on the East Coast, but it's the tallest in the entire country. 193 feet tall. That is a whopper. I have actually climbed it. It is quite tall. It is 215 years old, built in 1803. Next we move to Currituck. Currituck Lighthouse is 162 feet tall. It is 143 years old. It was built in 1875. Next, we move to Cape Lookout, which is 163 feet tall. It is 159 years old, and it was built in 1859. Notice that Currituck Lighthouse is only an inch shorter than Cape Lookout. Cape Lookout is 163 feet tall, and Currituck is 162 feet tall. Next, we move to Bodie. Bodie Lighthouse is 156 feet tall. It is 171 years old. It was built in 1847. Bald Head Lighthouse. Bald Head Lighthouse is 110 feet tall. It is 201 years old. It was built in 1817. It is the second oldest in the on the Outer Banks. Next, we move to Ocracoke Lighthouse. Ocracoke Lighthouse is 220 years old, the oldest on the Outer Banks. It was built in 1798. While it is super old, it is not too tall. Not very tall at all. It is 75 feet tall. Clearly a runt of the Outer Banks. 75 feet tall. Next we move to Oak Island Lighthouse, which is 153 feet tall. Now, this is the youngest on the Outer Banks and possibly the entire country. It is only 61 years old. It was built in 1957. 1957. Anyway, this is the bonus. The Tower of Hercules, which is the oldest in the world. It is 185 feet tall, and it is from the 2nd century. It is located in Coruña, Spain. It was a Phoenician tower, but I think the Romans came and took it. Anyway, if you're not too sure about these facts, look it up on Google. Anyway, here is the bonus to our bonus. The Sandy Hook Lighthouse, which is 252 years old. It is the oldest in the country. It was built in 1764. It is 103 feet tall. Anyway, those were the 7 lighthouses of the Outer Banks of North Carolina. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you enjoyed the bonuses. Please give this a like and thumbs up. Goodbye.